Are you thinking of building a new home on a teardown lot, but are concerned with the cost of demolition? Let's break down the real costs of demolishing or tearing down a house in order to prepare your lot for new construction. Hello, I'm Sophia Alonso from AV Architects and Builders. In areas where the inventory of vacant land is limited, like Northern Virginia, building on your lot is a great option. The most common question we hear about this process is, well, how much does it cost to tear down and demolish a house? Let's get into it. Contrary to the popular belief that demolishing a house can run into hundreds of thousands of dollars, the cost in Northern Virginia is typically within the $15,000 to $20,000 range. This amount covers the demolition itself, site clearance, and removal of debris, making it a manageable part of the overall project budget. Here's an expert tip. Consider using a deconstruction company like Second Chance Deconstruction during the demolition. Not only does this support a good cause by reusing and repurposing materials, but it also offers the homeowners an opportunity for a tax write-off. It's important to note that not all houses are created equal. Most existing homes in Northern Virginia, especially those built before the 1970s, tend to be smaller, single-story structures with minimal or no basements. These homes, often referred to as ramblers, are relatively straightforward to demolish. In many cases, it takes as little as 3 days to tear down and clear the site completely. A teardown lot is cheaper to build on than vacant land because it requires fewer site costs to prepare the property for construction. Teardown lots typically already have some site development done, like access to utilities or a cleared home site where the existing structure stands, meaning the area is already generally cleared of trees and the foundation is already dug for the footprint of the existing house, overall reducing the amount of dirt removal and excavation required for the new build. Generally, an empty, undeveloped piece of land is more expensive to build on than a lot with an existing house on it. This is because undeveloped land typically requires more extensive site work to prepare the property for construction. Clearing trees off the property, creating a driveway, excavating, and bringing utilities to the site. All of that potential site work is collectively more expensive than the demolition of an existing teardown. If you want to learn more about site development costs in new home construction, check out our full-length video on the topic, linked in the description below. Understanding the costs associated with demolishing a house and preparing a site is crucial for a successful construction project. At AV Architects and Builders, as both the architects and the builders on your project, we're here to help you navigate these options and choose the one that aligns best with your project goals. Want to learn more about the home building process? Visit the Learning Center on our website for more resources or to schedule a consultation. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.